my name is Simon Palombi, and I'm an instructor at the CAMINO School of Music, Repair, and Technology. Being on the road, I was always breaking gear, and I got tired of having to pay a lot of money to get stuff fixed. So I just figured, why can't I do this myself? And so I learned. So I started by buying kits like these, and now I just scrounge for parts and build stuff out of random key parts now. But at first, you learn everything you need to learn basically about how a tube amp works from these kits. I want to teach people because I just think it's a cool thing to know, especially for musicians. Why wouldn't you want to know how to work on your own stuff? And it's fairly simple once you get the hang of it. And anybody can do it, I think. With a little confidence and a little bit of knowledge, so you don't shock yourself or something. But there's always going to be broken stuff. Since I was 3, I've been playing piano. Yeah, and that's really like one of the only things I can do that I feel confident at, other than this newfound hobby. I took lessons since I was 5 or 4 or something, and every piano teacher I had quit on me because I never learned to read music. I just would listen and then play it back. I've been writing music and playing. I went through stints where I wasn't, it's a good while. Like in middle school, I didn't play at all. I started in classical music, so that's what I went back to doing. And then I always loved organ music, and my uncle bought me this 60s compilation for Christmas one year that had a bunch of good cheesy organ 60s music on it, and that ever since then that's when I fell in love with rock and roll.